We were working on a full proposal to submit to a government agency. We were working with a PhD from a lab. I'm going to refer to this person as Dr. R. Dr. R sent our proposal off, and we received one question that we came up with the answer of infrequent calibration. This video is on the subject matter of infrequent calibration. A little backstory: our wood stoves are controlled by a fan and controller system. They are looking at a smoke sensor on the chimney that tells the controller if it's putting out too much smoke. When it does put out smoke, it tries to mitigate that by controlling the airflow a little differently. The point of the question was, how often does our opacity monitoring system need to be calibrated? And the answer is, it doesn't really need to be calibrated very often. This opacity monitor has been on the chimney untouched for 10 days at least, and it's performing rather well. An instrument that performs well and requires infrequent calibration is a valuable asset. Here are some benefits of having an instrument that requires infrequent calibration. Reduces downtime and maintenance cost. When the instrument is calibrated less often, you spend less time and money on maintenance. This can free up your staff to focus on other tasks and improve your overall productivity. Improves accuracy and reliability. A well-calibrated instrument will produce more accurate and reliable results. This can be critical in applications where even small errors can have significant consequences. Reduces the risk of errors and accidents. Inaccurate measurements can lead to errors in production, which can in turn lead to product defects and safety hazards. A well-calibrated instrument can help to prevent these errors from occurring. Increases customer satisfaction. Your customers will be more satisfied with your products and services if they know they are using well-calibrated instruments to produce them. This can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Here are some tips for keeping your instrument in good working order and minimizing the need for calibration. Handle your instrument with care. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for handling and storing your instrument. This will help to prevent damage that could affect its accuracy. Perform regular cleaning and maintenance. Clean your instrument regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions. This will help remove dirt, dust, and other contaminants that could affect its accuracy. Storing your instrument in a safe place when you're not using your instrument. Store it in a safe place where it will not be exposed to extreme temperatures, moisture, or other environmental factors that could affect its accuracy. Monitor your instrument's performance. Pay attention to your instrument's performance and look for any signs of trouble, such as erratic readings or unusual behavior. If you notice any problems, take your instrument to a qualified technician for calibration. By following these tips, you can help to ensure your instrument performs well and requires infrequent calibration. This will save you time, money, and frustration. It will help you to produce more accurate and reliable results. The two charts shown are from 12 days from the last reset. There's a slight drift of 7 at the start of the data. However, in the middle of the data, it's off by 3%. This shows that you can use it after 12 days without much of a problem. These charts show the stability of a light source and sensor on the bench with controlled voltage at the beginning and controlled current near the end. These charts of the UVC light show that if it's energized for any amount of time, it drifts somewhat of a predictable amount. When you design an instrument, such as a speedometer, you really want it to work every time you get in the car. It doesn't need calibration all the time. You may want to calibrate it occasionally. Certain instruments need to be cleaned and inspected and checked. However, they should really just work. I like to design things that just work. Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.